have completed electrostatic part. So that covered topic that are, first of all, I have covered charge in electrostatic. Electrostatics means what? The charge is at rest. So here we have discussed about charge, then force, Coulombian force, properties of force, then electric field, and then Gauss law. Much more deep study we did over these topics. So Gauss law, then potential, electric potential, potential difference to PD. Then we have discussed about potential energy, electric potential energy, and then we have discussed about capacitor. In between this we have discussed very much deeply about the properties of dielectric and properties of conductor. So these are the points which we have discussed in electrostatics, that covers unit number 1 and unit number 2. These are the syllabus that are categorized on the basis of CBSE board given in NCERT syllabus, NCERT book. But in all state board or in all kind of boards, international board, the same topics are given related to physics. If you are in higher secondary class, higher secondary HSC, or that senior secondary SSC, so in these two kind of classes, this is regarding with the 9th and 10th, and this is 11th and 12th class. So here, if you are in any kind of board that 9th, 10th and 11th and 12th, so you must have go through the topic in class 12 with charge, force, electric field, Gauss law, potential, potential difference, potential energy and capacitance. Why I am talking about this topic? Because this is the revision time, that is the review over this topic. First of all, what you have to do, I am telling you about this strategy, how to start the numerical. You have set up, you have completed that very that quantitative amount of the topics, and that is sufficient to solve numericals now. Okay, so what you have to do, you will start revising these topic, and if you have command over it, then you can start numerical. Now come to the numerical category. Numerical type, there are three kind of numerical: easy numerical, which are based on formula. Maximum they are based on, that these kind of numerical are based on formula. One is medium level question, that are based on concept, so concepts are required here. And third one, which is very important, that are HOTS, which is the base of competitive, all competitive examination. These are the competitive questions, and sometimes it comes in board examination too. So these are the three category of numerical. So you can do one by one. I'm not saying that start with the easy, then come to medium, then come to HOTS. This is not for all students. Students also have some category. So choose your category and then start solving numerical on the basis of that, because you have sometimes in between 1 year to solve this numerical. Though I'm not maximizing my range, my suggestion range to the student, those who are the keen learner of physics. They can do anything, anytime, anywhere. Okay, physics is this is just, if this subject is just like a god for some students, then I'm just leaving these kind of students. I'm not saying about these students, they can go by their own way. Okay, so basically I'm talking about some categories. That first one is target oriented category, which is the self-driven students. These are the kind of students, those who have set their target and they are capable of achieving their target. Okay, and they are very much, first of all, hard work. There is no alternative of hard work. They are so much hardworking and they devote so much time in studies. So these are the self-driven student. They have set their target, and these kind of student can solve all three type of questions, at least 100 questions for at least three topics. You can solve charge, force, electric field. You can solve 100 question out of these. Then Gauss law, potential energy, capacity. You can solve much more questions, around 100 questions related to it. I solved it at my school time, so that's why I can suggest it that you can too. So first one is self-driven. You must be self-driven. Second is the category of student, those who are parents oriented. Why I am saying so? In my 12 year of teaching experience, I have observed that some students had chosen their stream, that whether it is science, commerce or arts, on the basis of their parents' choice. They are much more affected by their parents, that they, and but this is the one thing, but the prior thing, the primary thing is that they even didn't think that what they have to do in life. So that is why these are those kind of students that had chosen their stream on the basis of parents' suggestion or parents' choice. Okay, so these kind of students, their overall aim is to score high in board examination or in any examination, whether it's 9th, 10th, 11th or 12th. So you can do one thing, you can solve easy then medium questions. Okay, you can solve questions based on different topics, and it will be helpful for you to score high in examination. So set your time, set your subject in such a manner so that you can solve these kind of numericals based on this topic: charge, force, electric field. First of all these three topics, and then come to the next topic. Afterward, there are some students who are society oriented. So society oriented are those students who had chosen their stream on the basis of their friends, their colleagues, okay, or by their by the effect of their uncle, auntie, cousins, okay. So these are those kind of students, society oriented student. They had chosen their stream not by their own thinking, they had chosen their stream on the basis of society. Now you are in between range. If you are in class 12th, you are in the middle range, okay. So you cannot go back. So you must have to identify yourself, that you have to go back. First of all, identify yourself, just do introspection. I'm not saying, I'm not demoralizing you that you cannot do. Hard work has no alternative. If you are doing hard work, you can do anything. You can set your level to the self-driven state. Okay, I'm not saying so, but initially, if you are in these two category, then you must have to solve only the easy and the medium numerical, which are concept based. You can ask your query if you have any problem in numerical. So self-driven students can do anything. The only thing is what they have to do: hard work, and they choose the right path. They choose the right books, whatever they are doing through that books. Okay. So this is all in my numerical analysis. So analyze yourself, introspect yourself, and I'm sure that you will achieve whatever you want. And I am always here in Bhavna physics class to suggest you, to guide you. Thank you.